Chapter 8. Safety First. Get set. Find out and fill your personal details to create your medical record. My medical dossier. Name, class, section, height, weight, blood group, eyesight, identification mark, allergy, if any. Accidents always happen all of a sudden. They cause a lot of pain and suffering. Sometimes they can cause serious injuries or even loss of life. You should always be careful and try to avoid accidents at home and outside by following some important safety rules. Safety at home. Keep your toys at proper place. Never use sharp objects. Do not play with sharp or pointed objects. You might cut yourself and suffer from blood loss. Do not leave your toys on the floor. Keep them in their proper place after you finish playing. Otherwise, you may trip over them. Do not climb on shelves, windows, tables, etc. Be careful of slippery floors. Do not play with breakable things like glass. You may get hurt. Some chemicals are harmful even if you touch them. Be careful. Medicines should be taken only in the presence of an adult. Do not play with electrical appliances. Do not touch electric wires or switches with wet hands. You might get a shock. Do not play near gas stoves, hot pots and pans. Burns are very painful. Leakage of cooking gas can be dangerous. If you smell leaking gas, you must do the following: open all the windows and the doors for the gas to escape. Turn off the regulator of the gas cylinder. Do not touch any switch. Even a small spark is enough to catch fire. Do not light a matchstick. The gas in the room will catch fire. Contact the gas agency immediately. Did you know? Cooking gas has no smell. Another gas with a smell is mixed with it, so that if the cooking gas ever leaks, people can notice and accidents can be avoided. Safety at school. Never push each other, do not jump on the table and do not quarrel. In school, you run around a lot. You also do a lot of work using sharp things like pens, pencils and scissors. A few precautions can take care of some unwanted incidents. Do not push each other. Do not run while climbing or going down the staircase. Be careful while handling sharp or pointed objects. You might hurt yourself or others. Do not play in the classroom. Do not climb on the desks. You may hurt yourself. Do not fight with your friends. Safety on the playground. Safety at playground. Be careful while playing on the swings, slides and jungle gym. Do not push other. Wait for your turn. Do not push a vacant swing. Do not go too close to the moving swings. Follow the rules of the game. Do not use sports equipment to hurt others. Safety on road. Always walk on footpath, cross the road at zebra crossing, wear a helmet. Do not walk on the road. Use the footpath to walk. If there is no raised footpath, walk on the right side so that you can see the traffic coming towards you. Be careful while crossing the road. Use the zebra crossing whenever it is available. Look first to your right and then to the left to see if any vehicle is coming. Cross the road only after you are sure that the road is clear. Do not play or run on the road. Wear proper shoes. Follow traffic rules when you ride your bicycle on the road. Do not forget to wear your helmet. Do not listen to music with a headphone while riding on your bicycle. It can keep you from hearing the sound or horn of a moving vehicle. Be careful if the road is wet. Vehicles may skid on wet or oil-spilled roads. Rail safety tips. Do not walk on tracks, never keep something on tracks, use overbridge to cross track. Do not stand near the door to the moving train. Wait for the train to stop before getting in or out of the train. Do not walk on the tracks or in the tunnels. Do not place any object on the tracks. They can become dangerous missiles and hurt people nearby. Do not throw any object at the train. It can hurt people on the train or even you. Cross the railway tracks only at the railway crossing or use the foot over bridge. While crossing the railway tracks at the gate, wait for the gates to open. Going around lowered gates is dangerous. First aid. First aid is the immediate physical and medical attention needed by the injured or sick person before the proper medical aid arrives. Elementary first aid and emergency measures can reduce suffering or casualties. By learning to give first aid, you can help others and yourself in case of an accident. Common emergencies that need first aid are bleeding wounds, fainting, insect bites, snake bites and burns. When an accident occurs, remember the following hints: do not get frightened or panic. Do not crowd around the person who is hurt. The first thing to do when the injury is serious is to send someone to call a doctor. Remember that you are not a doctor, so first you should call a doctor. Find out the actual condition, whether the victim is bleeding or he is fainted or bitten by some insect or has been burnt. When a wound is bleeding, tie a bandage in case of bleeding. Wash your hands before touching the wound. If there is not much bleeding from the wound, clean it with cotton and Dettol and apply a dressing. If the bleeding is severe, try to prevent it immediately because bleeding makes a person weak. Place a clean cloth or cotton pad firmly over the wound and apply a little pressure directly over the wound. Then, tie a tight bandage above the wound. Notice that the bleeding part is higher than the rest of the body. If ice is available, place some ice on the bleeding wound. It helps to stop bleeding. Once the bleeding stops, clean the wound with an antiseptic, Dettol, etc., and bandage it. Never leave a wound exposed, as dirt, flies and germs enter the wound which cause infection and make it septic. When a person has fainted. Fainted person. If a person faints, make him lie flat with his head low. This helps in supply of extra blood to the brain. Allow fresh air to come in. Keep quiet and let him rest. When bitten by an insect. Insect bite. Sometimes insects such as bees, wasps and mosquitoes bite or sting us. These bites or stings cause severe pain and swelling. Place ice over the affected spot with lime water and apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream to give relief. Place ice over the affected spot. It will also give some relief. A compress wetted with ammonia water also gives relief. Apply calamine lotion if there is itching. When a person is burnt. First aid in burns. Pour running water over the burnt area. Apply Vaseline or any other ointment such as Bernol. First aid box. We should have a first aid box which should contain commonly used medicines, sticky tape, an antiseptic lotion, an antiseptic cream, sterilized gauze and cotton pads, a pair of scissors, some band-aids, a bottle of methylated spirit, some sachets of oral rehydration solution, ORS, a crepe bandage. It is good to know first aid and be prepared for an emergency. But first remember and follow safety rules which help to avoid accidents. Prevention is better than cure. Summary. Accidents cause a lot of harm, pain and suffering. You must follow safety rules at all times to avoid accidents. At home, be careful with sharp and pointed tools, electrical appliances, heaters and stoves, slippery floors, medicines, etc. In school, take care not to jump around and push others. On the playground or park, use the game equipment carefully. Be watchful on the road and near railway tracks. Always keep a first aid box at home. Elementary first aid and emergency measures can reduce suffering. Common emergencies that need first aid are bleeding wounds, fainting, insect bites, snake bites and burns. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Accidents can happen when we A. Are careful, B. Are careless, C. Follow safety rules. 2. Do not play with A. Sharp objects, B. Toys, C. Balls. 3. Always walk on the A. Footpath, B. Road, C. Both of these. 4. Keep the floors of your bathroom A. Dry, B. Wet, C. Dirty. 5. Wash your before touching the wound A. Feet, B. Legs, C. Hands. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. You must follow rules to avoid accidents. 2. Some are harmful even if you touch them. 3. If the gas from a cooking gas cylinder leaks, you must the windows and doors. 4. You must not play with objects. 5. Always use the while walking on the road. 6. Apply lotion if there is itching. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. We can touch electrical appliances with wet hands. 2. Cuts and wounds should be washed properly with water. 3. All medicines should be kept within easy reach to children. 4. Accidents of fire are mostly seen in the bathroom. 5. Prevention is better than cure. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What precautions will you take to avoid falling down at home? 2. What will you do if the cooking gas cylinder starts leaking? 3. Why should you not listen to music while riding a bicycle? 4. What safety rules should you follow before crossing the road? 5. What safety rules should you follow while crossing the railway tracks? 6. How will you help a victim who has fainted? Activity. 1. List other safety rules to be followed in the lift, near the gate, in the parking areas, etc. of the building you live in. Make a chart and take permission to put it up on the notice board. 2. Stand at the window for 15 minutes and note down how many people ride on two-wheelers without wearing a helmet. 3. Read the newspaper for a week and note down how many accidents have occurred due to carelessness. Think and discuss how they could have been avoided. Life skill. Nancy noticed her mother reading something written on the bottle before giving medicine to her sick brother. Do you think she was 1. Checking the price of the medicine, 2. Reading the name of the doctor, 3. Checking the expiry date on the bottle, 4. Finding out the amount of medicine to be given? Check the expiry date on the labels of the medicines at home. Ask your parents to throw away the medicines that have crossed the expiry date. We must never take any medicine without checking the expiry date.